Namaste. हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I, Jeevin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic floating drug delivery system. Floating drug delivery system is very important system for the novel drug delivery system for the B Farm 7th semester. So the floating system is based on the mechanism of buoyancy. Buoyancy is the float criteria of the delivery system is called as the floating drug delivery system. So now we come to the multiple unit floating system, air compartment multiple unit system, hollow microsphere and micro balloons. So the microparticles based on the mechanism of the buoyancy, two distinctly different technologies, that is non-effervescent and effervescent system, have been utilized in the development of floating drug delivery system. So floating drug delivery system is mainly based on the mechanism of buoyancy test. So the floating lag time and total lag time of floating. So now we come to the non-effervescent system. Non-effervescent system is prepared from the gel forming or highly soluble cellulose type hydrochlorides and polysaccharides or matrix forming polymers like polyacrylate, polycarbonate and polystyrene and polymethacrylate. The air trapped by the swollen polymer confers buoyancy to these doses form. So the excipients used are HPMC and polyacrylates, polyvinyl acetate and carbopol, agar, sodium alginate, calcium chloride and polyethylene oxide and polycarbonates. So this system can be further divided into subtypes. This is the hydrodynamically balanced system, sheath and tauzineum. So the drug plus gel forming hydrocolloid and biond. So the single unit dosage form contains one or more gel forming hydrophilic polymer. Its excipients is HPMC, HEC, HPC and NaCMC. So the polycarbophil and polyacrylate, polystyrene and agar, carrageenans or alginic acid. So the polymer plus drug, the capsule cell dissolve in contact with water and mixture swells to form a gelatinous barrier which impart buoyancy to doses form in gastric juice for a long period. Incorporation of fatty excipients gives low density formulation and reducing the erosion. So the microsphere is the micro balloon and hollow microsphere loaded with drugs prepared by the solvent evaporation or solvent diffusion and evaporation method. So the polymer used polycarbonates and cellulose acetate and calcium alginate, agar, and low methoxylated pectin, etc. And buoyancy and drug release depends on quantity of polymers and plasticizers polymers and solvents used. The microballoons floated continuously over the surface on acidic dissolution media containing surfactant for greater than 12 hours. Are the best because they combine the advantage of multi-unit system and good floating. Good floating is like oil in water emulsion and rapid diffusion of the dichloromethane and slow diffusion of ethanol and hollow microsphere or microballoon. So the alginate beads is the recently developed a multiple unit floating system based on the cross-linked beads, and they are made by the using Ca2 plus and low methoxylated pectin. So these bead system can maintain a floating force for over 12 hours, and these beads improve gastric retention time more than 5.5 hours. So this is the this diagram is represent for the mechanism of the floating drug delivery system. The drug is float over the gastric fluid. The drug in a sodium alginate solution and gel information by the calcium ion concentration. So this is the mucus layer and this is the gastric epithelial cell. So based on the principle of encapsulation of drug reservoir inside the microporous compartment with porous along with top bottom walls. So the gastric fluid enters through the aperture, dissolve the drug and causes the dissolved drug for continuous transport across the intestine for the drug absorption. So the effervescent gas generation system, the floatability can be achieved by generation of gas, bubble, and carbon dioxide. These buoyant system utilize the matrices prepared with the swellable polymers such as polysaccharides, example chitosan, and the effervescent components, example sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, and tartaric acid, and sodium alginate, and sodium bicarbonate. So this polymer is help to the generation of generating the floating mechanism, and the multiple unit floating doses form is generate gas carbon dioxide when ingested floating mini capsule with a core of sodium bicarbonate, lactose, and polyvinyl pyrrolidine. So this is the mechanism of the floating drug delivery system. So this system is very important for the float, and this system bioavailability is very enhanced. So overall, this session is completed. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.